And we are back for part 2 of our cruise. This is later in the night, so we did Palo, and then we went into food coma for a couple hours. You didn't need to see that. It was ugly. You didn't need to see it. Palo was worth it. We really loved it. I would go back in a heartbeat. But now we're gonna go to dinner, and I'm gonna show you that, and then we have the Beauty and the Beast show, which I can't show you. I can show you the outside of the theater, and then that's it. But we have some other fun things we want to try. I want to check out Pink, because I've had champagne since I've been here, but I have not been in Pink, and that was like priority for me, because a whole champagne bar that looks like a bubble sounds amazing. And even though it's officially not pirate night, we want it to look like a pirate anyway, because they can't stop me from being on a cruise ship in the Bahamas, in the Caribbean, and not look like a pirate. I also need rum, so that's coming up too. Animator's Palate was fantastic. We really liked the baked potato soup, so that is a yet again, when we come back, baked potato soup. We are now in the atrium, and as you can see, it is very crowded. Daisy is here getting photos. We are not the only ones dressed as pirates. There's tons of pirates on the ship today. But yeah, so we're going to do some photos. We're going to, I think, do some different trivia, check out the rest of the ship, and then we are going to see fireworks, because there's fireworks tonight. So I just come upstairs, just quickly. I wanted to just drop some things off, freshen up a little bit before I go back down. Atrium is huge. Like, this is very busy characters. Donald was out. I'm like, Donald. But I walked into this. What is it? Is it a monkey? Is it a turkey? It looks like Thanksgiving dinner with glasses. I just... I can't. Let's head into the district, find Pink. for part 2, it's already the next morning, so outros matter. And there's our turkey. It's a turkey. Don't monkey. So we had a great time. We're moving on to Castaway K, which is part 3. So check that out. Like, comment below, subscribe, push the bell for future notifications, and until we eat again, stay geeky.